Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Supermarket Simulator on PC. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open Steam, its interface will appear. Click on Store from the top left corner. Now click on the search bar from the right side and search Supermarket Simulator. Select the game from the drop down, game details and description will open. Scroll down and at the left side, you will see an option for purchasing it. Click on the Add to Cart option, then click on View My Cart. Now you have to choose that for whom or why you want to buy this game. If you want to buy it for yourself, simply click on For My Account. Now at the right side, click on Continue to Payment. Select your payment method from here and click on Continue. Then you have to pay the required amount and the game will be purchased. After purchasing the game, go to the library option from the top, search the game here and click on install. After the installation process, you can simply open the game and enjoy playing. And this is how you can download Supermarket Simulator on PC.